like it. Boobies. Boobies, stop! I'm not doing anything to you. Stop it.
Do you love me? How much? Yeah, I thought so. I love you as well. Okay. Do you want a hug? Yeah, are you sure? Okay. Good.
Cosmo is being a good boy. Okay, he's not being a good boy. Okay, he is being a good boy. Okay, he's not being a good boy.
Mimi, high five! Ow, okay. High five! Okay. Got it. Hi, are we hungry? Come on. Are you starving?
Learn this, girl. You don't need to say a word to become a baddie with Riz.
Stop. Free me.
Thought it was just an accident, didn't you? Nope, just a cat being sulky.
Okay, boy, let's sing. Okay. Hold me close and hold me. The magic spells you.
You're so full of sass.
No, you can't have bacon. No bacon. No. Stop trying to go.
Why are you so mad? I'm sorry. I don't know what I did to make you so mad.
¿Cómo que me escupes a mí también? ¿Me vas a escupir? No me vas a escupir a mí. A mí no me vas a escupir. ¿Cómo que vas a escupir? ¿Qué te pasa?
Ready for work. Leave me alone.
Apollo, why do you have to have your hand on my ear? Thank you.
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me? Oh, you little...
Why do you sound so sad? Are you sad? You don't like me playing videos? It's too loud while you're sleeping.
Ow!
Be nice, Groovy.
Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me?
3, 2, 1. Who wins? Oh! Oh! Did you stand up? Oh!
Tell me my cat's special without telling him my cat's special.
Ну что, Барсик, Рекс, пробуйте эту сюрстрёминг.
NANI?!